Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your keyboard for your Lenovo G50 laptop. And if you have a broken keyboard or you drop some water and you want to replace it, so in order to remove the keyboard, you can't just yank it out or put it inside. I first thing recommend you guys to grab a guitar pick, a metallic guitar pick. They're really hard to bend, a little flexible, and also really thin. First thing first, you want to flip your laptop over. Remove the 3 screws right on the bottom cover in front of the laptop. Alright. Once you remove the 3 screws, you want to grab the bottom cover and slide it towards the laptop, in front of the laptop a little bit. And you're going to see a gap opening right on the plastic. And you can't go any further. So what you want to do at this point, just lift it up. Next, you want to remove 3 screws in here. So one right there by the battery lock, and the one is right outside by the QR symbol. And they have a keyboard symbols right there, so it makes it easy for you guys. There's one right there, second one right there, and the third one is right under the warranty label or Lenovo paper label. So go ahead and remove these 3 screws. Alright, once you remove the 3 screws, now you can go ahead, flip the laptop open. You want to grab your guitar pick or anything close to a guitar pick. You want to stick it in between the keyboard and the panel. And you want to stick it there, and you want to just twist it over. And just like that. And you want to see an opening right on the bottom. You want to put your finger right underneath, because you don't want to just let it go down again. And start doing the top side only. Once you remove the top side, grab it from the middle. Don't grab it from the side. Just pull it out. Don't yank it out, because there is a cable, flex cable right underneath. You want to move it slowly towards the monitor, and you're going to see this ribbon cable right there, the bigger one. And what you want to do, you want to unclip this one by lifting up this black plastic right there in 45-degree angle, 95-degree angle. So with your nail, just go ahead and lift it up like that. And now you can just pull out the ribbon cable. And this is your keyboard. You can flip it over, and it says Lenovo part number, depending what part number you have, and this one is 25, 21, 47, 62 model. So if you have a G50 Lenovo laptop, this is your part model for your keyboard. I'll put this part number in the description. Once you get the new keyboard, you want to put it down in this position with a spacebar towards you, and grab the flex cable. If your lock mechanism is closed, open it again. Leave it open in 90-degree angle. Slide the ribbon cable underneath, and while you hold the ribbon cable right there, just push down the clip, and that's it. Now you can go ahead, put the keyboard, but always put the bottom side of the keyboard down, because of this plastics that they have to go right there in the holes. So put those bottom side first, and then grab the middle side, so you give this kind of curvature, and put the sides. Grab the middle, put the other side, push in. You're gonna hear the click sounds, and then let go of the middle, and they start pushing the top area. Once you got all in, close the laptop, flip it over, and put the 3 screws back in. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll try to answer as soon as I can. If you guys subscribe, you have a chance to win a laptop, tablets, or cell phones. I do a prize giveaway once I reach to my certain subscribers. So that's an advantage. So let's go put the 3 screws. Once you put the 3 screws for the keyboard, grab the bottom cover, put it on, make sure you have the offset, and then pushing it down a little bit gently, pull it towards the battery side, slide it. Now you can go ahead and put the 3 screws right on the bottom cover. Again guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.